Hello my friends and welcome to Wonderful Home Design. In this video, we show you the beauty of Christmas ornaments. As the holiday season approaches, there's an undeniable magic that envelopes our homes and hearts. One of the most cherished traditions of Christmas is the adorning of the tree with ornaments, each piece a unique reflection of love, memories, and the spirit of the season. Christmas ornaments are not merely decorative items, they are artifacts of nostalgia, symbols of joy, and representations of our cherished relationships. From glossy baubles to handcrafted figures, the variety of ornaments is vast and mesmerizing. Each ornament carries a story, be it a delicate glass globe inherited from a grandparent or a sparkly star representing a child's first Christmas. Some ornaments are steeped in tradition, assembled through generations, while others are newly crafted, reflecting contemporary styles and trends. The beauty of Christmas ornaments is not just in their aesthetic appeal, but also in the emotions they evoke. One cannot overlook the craftsmanship that goes into creating these seasonal treasures. Artisans around the world dedicate their talents to designing ornaments that captivate the eye. From the intricate details of hand-painted glass ornaments to the vibrant colors of handmade wooden figures, each piece showcases the dedication and artistry of its creator. It's not unusual to find ornaments that depict beloved characters from holiday stories or scenes that capture the essence of the season. These creations often become conversation starters, inviting nostalgia and storytelling during family gatherings. What truly makes these ornaments beautiful is their ability to bring people together. As families gather to decorate their Christmas tree, they share laughter and memories, recounting their favorite stories linked to each ornament. A simple decoration can spark a recollection of a happy moment, a child's first Christmas, a family trip to the holiday market, or a special handmade gift from a friend. This shared experience fosters a sense of belonging and unity, reminding us of the importance of connections during the holiday season. Moreover, Christmas ornaments often transcend mere decoration, they symbolize hope, love, and goodwill. Many ornaments carry symbols or messages that reflect the season's spirit, such as angels, stars, or even Santa Claus. Each symbol tells a story, embodying ideals we cherish during the holidays. For instance, angels can symbolize protection and guidance, while stars often remind us of the bright light of hope amidst darkness. As we hang these ornaments on our trees, we embrace their meanings, allowing them to fill our homes with the essence of the season. In recent years, there has been a growing trend of creating personalized ornaments, which adds an even deeper layer of beauty. Families can design ornaments that represent their unique stories, whether it's a likeness of a family pet, a representation of a favorite vacation spot, or simply the names of loved ones inscribed on a felt heart. These custom ornaments become a narrative tapestry of a family's history, encapsulating milestones, achievements, and cherished experiences. Displaying these personalized pieces on the tree transforms it into a visual representation of love and memories, each ornament more than just decor but a cherished relic of the family's journey. Technology has also contributed to the evolution of Christmas ornaments. With advancements in materials and design techniques, we now see ornaments that incorporate LED lights, innovative shapes, and even interactive elements. While these modern ornaments captivate the younger generation, they also allow for a blend of tradition and new-age creativity. The changing styles and innovations keep the spirit of Christmas fresh and exciting, ensuring that each year feels special and new, even in the familiarity of tradition. As we gaze at our beautifully adorned trees, it's easy to be entranced by the visual spectacle. The shimmering lights reflect off the delicately crafted surfaces of the ornaments, casting a kaleidoscope of colors across the room. There's a warmth and comfort in this sight that envelopes us, making our homes feel inviting and magical. The act of decorating the tree becomes a cherished ritual, allowing us to step away from the hustle and bustle of daily life and immerse ourselves in the beauty of the present moment. In conclusion, Christmas ornaments embody much more than mere decoration, they are reflections of our memories, connections, and traditions. The artistry, the shared experiences, the stories, and the innovations all contribute to their incomparable beauty. Each ornament hung on the tree transforms it into a canvas of our lives, enriched with joy, love, and the enchanting spirit of Christmas. As we embrace this magical season, let us celebrate the beauty of our ornaments, tapping into the nostalgia and joy they bring to our lives, ensuring that the spirit of Christmas continues to shine brightly in our hearts and homes.